Hello everyone. In the second part of the milestone creation tutorial, we will learn how to create new milestones or link existing ones to an imported schedule in cmBuilder. Let's begin by importing a schedule file. Click Project Schedule on the left toolbar, then select Import Schedule. Here, you can either upload a schedule by selecting Upload File or choose from the list of existing files already imported into the project. cmBuilder supports various schedule file formats, such as XER from Primavera P6, MPP from Microsoft Project, and many others. For a complete list of acceptable file formats, click on More. If you're importing a CSV file, use the provided file template from the Download Sample File button. Fill in all required fields, such as name and start date, without changing the column headers, and ensure the date format matches the instructions. Now let's just load one from the list. On the next screen, you'll see a list of all tasks in the schedule. Here, you can choose which tasks to convert into milestones. We recommend selecting only the major milestones relevant to the site logistics plan you are building, as this keeps your site plan clean and manageable. You can import both start and end dates for your tasks. However, we suggest beginning with only end dates, since they are most effective for showing task completion when milestones are activated. Select start dates only when you need to specify installation dates for equipment like cranes or hoists, or when illustrating mobilization events such as the start of excavation or the first concrete pour. To select multiple tasks, hold Shift to choose a range or Control to select individual tasks. Once the selection of your dates is completed, press Next. On the following page, you'll review and define how the selected tasks will be linked to your scenario milestones. The table will display all selected tasks with their dates and hierarchy. You can override any task name by clicking the Edit Name button. You can then select if you want to create a new milestone from these tasks, or if you want to apply the task name and date to an existing milestone. Use the three-dot menu to reset the name override or to remove a task. Toggle on Append Start/Finish to milestone names if you'd like to clearly indicate which date type is being referenced. If you want to return to the previous step, click Back or click Apply to implement and create the new milestones. After applying, you can view the updated milestone list in the project schedule. Review the sequence to confirm everything remains in the correct order. Notice that milestones linked to a schedule will have an icon beside them to indicate the link is active, and this milestone can be updated with new versions of the file. Click Edit Schedule if you need to adjust the existing schedule file link, such as by adding tasks. Click Unlink to disconnect all milestones from the schedule file. This won't delete the imported milestones, but they will no longer update when the file changes. If you need to unlink a single milestone, use the three dots menu of the milestone. A scenario can only be connected to one schedule file at a time. If you need to make adjustments or add milestones, update the file accordingly. To update an existing schedule with a new file, click Update Schedule and import or select the new version. The process will restart with the previous selected tasks already selected, and the new data will update the existing milestones automatically. cmBuilder uses task IDs to track selections, so even if task names have been modified, your choices remain consistent. On the next page, you'll be able to review any tasks that have changed and apply the necessary updates. Finally, you can download the milestone table as a CSV file, edit it, and re-import it via Update Schedule to quickly apply changes to the scenario. That concludes this tutorial video. We hope this video has been helpful in demonstrating how to create milestones in cmBuilder by importing a schedule file, as well as managing existing schedules in cmBuilder. Thank you for watching.